Hello! Ano ba mga tao nito?
Oh, sila yung in charge. Barangay din.
Guess where we are? We are at
Tumalog
Tumalog Falls. So, we're gonna figure out what this place is like. And see. They said there's not a lot of hiking involved, so we'll see.
Pababa lang, diretso lang.
Balik.
Okay,
We need to
ayun
walk
oh.
our lunch off.
There's the falls.
Ayan na.
Oh.
So we're on our way to Tumalog Falls. I think they say what 600 meter? Yeah, 600 meter.
meter.
You can see the falls from here.
Yan oh. Nice.
Yeah. It's paved. Walk on the right side is say. Let's see how the landscape.
It's the right side. Nasa left ka. Baka may motor. Lamig.
Dapat dinala ko yung ano ko. Stick. Tripod. But I didn't. Oh, look at the falls. Uh-oh. Of course. It's very steep. Going downhill. But it's paved road. That's one thing. No muddy road, huh?
Unless it starts to rain.
Here, Kenzie. What? You shy? I'm gonna introduce Kenzie. Yeah. But she's shy. She's my sister's daughter, so I'm the aunt. But she's shy. Covering her face. Hey, y'all all right? This is very steep. I don't know. This is like, looks like 45-degree angle steep.
If I don't walk properly, I'll probably fall and start rolling down.
Yeah. You'll probably just lay you down and just roll you. How's that? You think that'll be
I'll
a
get
good
bruised. I'll get bruised for sure. I already know. Are we leaving them behind?
They are behind us. I guess I'm timing it how long it takes to get down to the falls. That
It looks
600
blue.
meter.
The rocks looks blue.
Blue?
Yeah, it looks blue-gray.
Well, I guess I didn't think it was blue-gray. Man, this is like steep.
Now they're talking about motorcycles. I
Oh.
still don't want to ride a motorcycle.
It's fun to ride.
I'm scared of getting burned.
Your skin. Look, and now we gotta make a turn. Oh man. I have to get good traction on these.
My shorts are falling off.
This is way down. Oh my god. No wonder they suggested motor. Let's see how are they doing. They're not here.
We're so fast. I think they're getting a
What's happening over there? Well, hold on.
Oh.
Oh man, y'all take the easy way in. That's not right. They took the motor.
Yes, because they're smart.
They don't want to climb it. That's okay.
I feel like the
Not just
motorcycle
the
would be safer now.
I don't mind walking. Me and Uncle Brian walk
Yeah,
all
but, like,
over
if it's
it.
like this like steep, then it's not that safe.
No, you just have to make sure you have good traction.
I do.
You
not
have good slipper?
traction. Auntie Jared, he thinks he's thinking of.
Hello.
Hello. Ooh,
Wait, this way to comfort room. So that's not even
it's that way.
further up.
I don't see a comfort room.
Well, maybe down there in the wild.
Wait, they're
So
gonna
they
make
have a
us-
little
Does that mean that
a little
the
place
tea
to
and
rest,
stuff
probably a
is
stop
there?
to get drinks and stuff. Huh? Whoa.
I think they're gonna get changed in there. Are we sure we can swim in there?
Yes.
It's very hard. Or rapid.
On back up.
Yes, to swim.
Water might be cold.
Good. I want it to be cold.
Look how pretty blue it is, huh?
And then there's green at the edges.
Mm-hmm. There you go. The sign is just there. Welcome. Mm-hmm.
Go
There's
swim.
huts. They have huts all over. So you can have your picnic.
Are you gonna record yourself swimming in the pool? Or
I don't know. Somebody has to hold it for me.
You gonna swim? Yes.
I'm not sure. I think I'm chickening out. I think I'm chickening out because it's so cold. I don't know if I want to go in the water. I have my bathing suit on. I'll take my pants off, but very inviting though. But oh Lord. Okay, we just got out of the waterfall. It was very nice experience. And there's not a lot of people here as you can see. So it was kind of nice, not crowded. Maybe it's late in the afternoon. I think what time is it now? 3:30? 3:15. So maybe early morning there's more people because they go to Oslob for whale watching and stuff. But this is a good time at 3:15. So the water is cold, but once you're in there, it doesn't feel cold. Actually, my bathing suit is just wet, okay? And I'm not even cold. Yep, you have to come see this fall for sure. It's an amazing experience. Look at that hill that we came down and up. See, It's like a 45-degree steep hill. But I'm gonna make that climb. I did not cheat because you can ride a motorcycle. But I figure I need the exercise. Brian needs the exercise. So as Esther needs the exercise. Have to be on our side, or what do you call this? Some kind of angle to get up the hill. We refuse to ride the motorbike. We're climbing up. So it was fun. The fall was refreshing. Water's cold, but I don't know, I didn't get a chill when I got out of the water, so it was actually good. So I highly recommend coming visit this fall. Tumalog Falls on your way to, I think it's Oslob. So maybe people come here during the day, it's more crowded. Like we came here at 3:15, like I said, it was not that crowded. So anyhow, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And until next time, bye! The two partner in crime still going. Bye!